This introduction video answers the question, what is equilibrium? Equilibrium, or EQ for short, is a system to manage the entire business process in a kitchen or bath company. It's a system that tracks leads, customers, quotes, orders, purchase orders, scheduling, installation, and service. Your company can track and see exactly what's going on across the entire company at any time from anywhere. Dashboard widgets are one example of what you can see since everything goes through one system. You can see lots of information about what's happening across salespeople, for specific salespeople, across locations or specific locations, and a whole lot more. In the cabinet industry, it's difficult to have a standard way of doing things that everyone is in line with. Well, EQ gives you that. It gives the cabinet company the ability to define how it does business in every respect. Then people just learn the process within the software. EQ starts by letting the company define many things behind the scenes. Things like multipliers, pricing profiles, installation profiles, so the system knows exactly what the cost of everything is, as well as how much should be charged to any customer that's being quoted, automatically. You can also define and track things like types of customers you sell to, sources of your leads, job types, and so on. Once you've defined your business, all salespeople and designers do is crank quotes and orders through the system. EQ makes it a breeze by allowing them to create and organize quotes the way they want. They can group items on their quotes by rooms, by item groups, by ordering them however they want. They can add items quickly by using Quick Quote or by importing their designs from programs like 2020. Then, once they have a quote, EQ makes it very simple to make new versions by duplicating the quote into a new version, or even make quick changes like door style, finish, or even swap out cabinets here and there to make a new option or a new price. All along the way, EQ knows exactly how to price the order, right up until it's done and ready to present to your customer. Once you're ready, you can print your proposals with your standard verbiage on them, formatted the way your company decides. When your customer signs off on a proposal, EQ advances the quote to a real order. That's when the magic starts happening. Now you can generate purchase orders that you can print, fax, or email to your suppliers and track their status until they show up in the warehouse. You can also attach documents, pictures, designs, or whatever you want to the job. And best of all, since EQ is cloud-based software, you can access all of your jobs from anywhere you have internet access, even in the field, even on the beach. You want to keep track of how much time is spent on different activities for your jobs? You can do it in EQ. Once everything is ordered, you can schedule everything related to your job. You do that in EQ on the scheduling calendar. Schedule deliveries, tear out, installs, measures, service work, anything you want for yourself or the entire company. Now, once the job is done, let's say one of the cabinets was damaged. Okay, easy. You want to reorder it from your manufacturer. Great. You can create service orders in EQ and generate a warranty purchase order for damaged or otherwise defective goods. And you can have any other service items on the service order. EQ is smart enough to include your original manufacturer order number on the warranty PO along with the reason it was defective. So EQ takes you from lead tracking to quoting to orders to purchase orders to scheduling and finally to service. One final note. We don't expect you to run your business the way we think you should. We expect you'll run it as you want. And that's okay because EQ's workflow allows you to set up whatever workflow to manage orders through your organization. Orders can progress from department to department or from person to person, even notifying them when it's their turn to do something with it. And you can know where in the process all orders are at all times. We've got the entire process covered right up until your accounting system takes over to collect your money. To get a demo of EQ, just contact us through our website at www.breakfront.com.